Jai Shri Krishna, GATE 1995. Quiz M. A pitot tube indicates 5 cm of water manometer when it is being used for measuring velocity of air. The velocity of air in meter per second is, answer is D, that is 28.2. Explanation. V air is equal to under root of 2 into CH into rho water by rho air. Therefore, rho air is equal to PM by RT is equal to 1 atmosphere into 29 gram per gram mole divided by 82.06 cc atmosphere per gram mole Kelvin into 298 Kelvin is equal to 0.001185 gram per k kilometer cube. Now V air M by S is equal to under root of 2 into 9.81 meter per second square into 0.05 m meter into 1 by 0.001185 is equal to 28.2 meter per second. Now N. In distillation, where Q is defined as the moles of liquid flow in the steeping section per mole of feed introduced. For saturated liquid feed, C. Q is equal to 1. In distillation, where Q is defined as the moles of liquid flow in the steeping section per mole of feed introduced. For saturated liquid feed, Q is equal to 1. O. In gas liquid contact operation, the number of ideal stages N is equal to XA minus XB by XB minus XB dash. This is true when the stripping factor S is greater than 1. In the liquid contact operation, the number of ideal stages N is equal to XA minus XB divided by XB minus XB dash. This is true when the stripping factor S is S greater than 1. P. For absorbing the sparingly soluble gas in a liquid side mass transfer coefficient should be increased. For absorbing a sparingly soluble gas in a liquid side mass transfer coefficient should be increased. Q. The rate constant of a chemical reaction increases by 100 times when the temperature is increased from 400 Kelvin to 500 Kelvin. Assuming transition state theory is valid, the value of E by R is, answer is C, 8764 Kelvin. The rate constant of a chemical reaction increases by 100 times when the temperature is increased from 400 Kelvin to 500 Kelvin. Assuming transition state theory is valid, the value of E by R is 8764 Kelvin. Explanation. According to transition state theory, K proportional to T into e raised to minus E by RT. Now, K2 by K1 is equal to 2 by T1 into exponential of minus E by R into 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. K2 by K1 is equal to T2 by T1 into exponential of minus E by R into 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. Or 100 is equal to 500 by 400 into exponential of minus E by R 1 by 500 minus 1 by 400. Therefore, E by R is equal to 8764 Kelvin. R. A closed system is cooled reversibly from 100 degrees centigrade to 50 degrees centigrade if no work is done on the system. And answer is B. U and S both decreases. Explanation. du is equal to Cv dt is equal to Tds since W is equal to 0. dt is equal to negative, du is equal to negative and ds is equal to negative. A closed system is cooled reversibly from 100 degrees centigrade to 50 degrees centigrade if no work is done on the system. Both U and S both decreases. That is dt, du is equal to Cv dt is equal to Tds. dt is equal to negative, du is equal to negative and therefore Es is equal to negative. S. Identify an unbounded input from inputs whose transfer functions are given below. Answer is C. 1 by S square. Identify an unbounded input from inputs whose transfer functions are given below. 1 by S square. Question 3. Match the times in the left column with the appropriate items in the right column. A. y is equal to x square. Answer is non-linear algebraic equation. Y is equal to x square. Non-linear algebraic equation. Second, dy by dx is equal to 2x. Linear ordinary differential equation. dy by dx is equal to 2x. Linear ordinary differential equation. B. dy by dx plus 5y is equal to 0. Y0 is equal to y0. Answer is C. That is y is equal to y0 into exponential of minus 5x. dy by dx plus 5y is equal to 0, comma, y in bracket 0 is equal to y0. Therefore, y is equal to y0 into exponential of minus 5x. Second, dy by dx plus 5 is equal to 0. y0 y in bracket 0 is equal to y0. Answer is y0 minus 5x. dy by dx plus 5 is equal to 0. Y in bracket 0 is equal to y0. Y minus y0 minus 5x. C. First, catalytic reforming for aromatics and smoke point for kerosene. Catalytic reforming. C. Catalytic reforming gasoline and smoke point for high speed diesel. Catalytic reforming gasoline and smoke point high speed diesel માટે. D. Solutopic system. Answer is extraction. Solutopic system extraction માટે equilibrium moisture content drying. Equilibrium moisture content drying. Venturimeter kinetic energy. Venturimeter kinetic energy and weight gas meter. C. Volumetric displacement. Weight gas meter. Volumetric displacement. Fill in the blank. Question 4. In process heat exchanger, saturated steam is preferred over superheated steam. In process heat exchanger, saturated steam is preferred over superheated steam. B. Hot gases at moderate pressure are usually in the cell side of cell and tube exchangers. At high pressure, however, it is customary to put gas in the tube side. Hot gases at moderate pressure are usually in the cell side of cell and tube exchanger. At high pressure, however, it is customary to put gas in the tube side. C. Arrhenius equation describing the effect of temperature on rate constant is K is equal to A into exponential of minus EA by RT. D. In an agitated vessel, vapors are used to suppress eddies. In an agitated vessel, vapors are used to suppress eddies. And Jai Shri Krishna.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, ding dang.
day of reckoning's here. The sound of deafening fear.
You gon' die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble. K-N-I-F-E, right in your side. You will never see me coming. You gon' die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble. K-N-I-F-E, right in your side. You will never see me.
My energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he stabs me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel, I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential. I need a first class ticket to the top, no